Oh wow, that's soft.
Oh, it's down to the left of it. It's awkward.
So you think
My best guess.
they got hit,
Fresh down.
and
Someone did a not so great repair.
so they've owned this Mini Winnie for 2 years.
And have not. I don't believe found.
Washed it once.
Huh?
Washed it or waxed it. So, why is this paint peeling off?
Yeah.
I don't think Winnebago paints these, do they?
Nope. Gel coat.
All right, guys, I'm back here over at Cassone's. You can kind of see it there.
Hey, we got a new sign.
Oh, that is a good sign. That was a good idea. Whoever told you to put that there was a good idea.
Smart people.
Smart people. 2014 Mini Winnie. I love these things. And somebody inherited somebody else's mistakes. Looks like somebody crashed the motorhome into something low, crushed the roof, got it repaired, and then sold it. Like somebody repaired it?
Yeah. Well, you look at the left of the air conditioner. Be careful when you step up.
That's not right, my guy. So you think
My best guess.
they got hit,
Fresh down.
and
Someone did a not so great repair. As you can see where there is.
yeah, what's that? Yeah, it's not like Phylon anymore. Oh wow, that's soft.
Oh, it's down to the left of it. It's awkward.
All right, this is scary.
Careful.
Yeah, that's not fair. Why would somebody do this to other people? Yeah, it feels like I'm sinking in there.
Yeah.
Probably doesn't come out very well. Yeah, it's dipped down.
I'm assuming someone.
The structure broke.
I'm assuming someone went underneath something, it pushed it down. They said, "Oh, let's replace the air conditioner, do some body work on wherever it broke,
Yep,
and then painted the whole roof."
got rid of this thing. You ever seen that 11'8" YouTube channel? So low bridge, railroad bridge,
Oh,
and all the moving trucks always hit it.
I've seen
You
that.
see RVs hit it all the time. Somebody
Yeah.
hit that AC. So you're gonna have to replace this entire roof. Why would?
Well, I gotta do exploratory openings for the insurance company
Right,
because the insurance company was saying water damage.
right. Yeah, it's not water damage.
Almost guaranteed it's not water damage.
You might have to total this thing out. Yeah, that's soft. I don't know how it didn't leak.
They probably glued the seal down.
It probably is sealed up. Yeah, they probably did put sealant underneath it. But yeah, even right there. Yeah, that's...
So there's a rib there. And there's a rib right in front of the air conditioner. But it looks like the rib for the air
I don't think they're
conditioner
ribs. I think it's just the seams.
seems for the roof. Maybe
Yeah.
it's just 4 feet. Yeah.
Because usually they're only at the cross ribs are only at the front and the back.
But yeah.
You may not know this, Chad. There's not a lot of structure in these Winnebago roofs.
A lot of foam.
They may not have pointed it out very well, but when they did the body work on it, they painted it. They didn't paint to match, and then they didn't prep the surface at all.
It's so tiny.
Isn't that weird? All you have to do is scrub it a little bit with a Scotch pad.
So I'm assuming
And this is body paint. This isn't roll-on roof paint.
the real damage is here to there.
Right. You definitely can assume right here. But this doesn't behave like Phylon right there, and it's nice and smooth right here.
It's nice and smooth right here.
Right, so Phylon should have a texture to it. It's kind of hard to see. But yeah, somebody
Still see a glare on that.
didn't even do this part right. That's a lot. Look at that's no prep work at all.
You can usually tell when you see the backside of it.
Yeah, it's nice and shiny.
Yeah. It's shiny on the backside, and you can't see any sand scratches in
No
it.
scratches whatsoever. What are the
Doing
chances?
this without physically replacing the entire roof.
Well, I don't know. That's a great question, Chad. I'm sure everybody on the channel wants to watch us replace an entire roof.
Sure they do. Well, I'll be opening up 8 feet of this, probably from this rip to that rip.
Yeah, you have to cut it back quite a bit.
Yeah, pull the moldings, take out 8 feet, and pretty much see what we got.
Or you just have to put a new roof on.
Yeah. No matter what. It's hitting fiberglass and wood.
Right. And
I'm gonna recommend.
we haven't shown a video on these mini Winnies where it doesn't have a radius roof. But like you said,
You didn't film the last 2 we did?
no, we didn't film those.
Oh.
But you said that actually was a lot harder. The glue,
Yeah.
like the glue on the edge right there was stuck down.
Yeah, I found a trick.
So you can even see the puddle of where the water always sits.
The frowny face?
Yes. That's just insane. 2 years he's had this though.
That's what he said.
So I mean, technically the repair worked. It's a lot of peeling paint though. So you sure find all the fun ones.
They all come in.
Well, I'll let Chad take a look at this. It's just another indication that definitely get your roofs inspected. At least once a year. At least before you buy it. Doesn't hurt to do it more than once a year though, too. Alright guys, if you can hear me, we'll check back with Chad, find out what the insurance company wants to do once he opens it up. Either way, I'll try to see what it looks like opened up. Thanks, Chad.
Yeah.
So, this is Chad's next big project.
Well, one of the 4.
One of the 4 big projects. The ellipse doesn't need a roof though. Just needs a slide out topper for sure.
Yeah.
I don't know. You can see that.
That mini needs a roof.
That one needs a roof?
Yeah, that one's going in for roof replacement next week. So is
The mini light?
Yeah, the mini light.
Wow.
McDonald's, man. They've got trees. And don't drive into them.
Yeah, branches tend to rip things.
It also tends to crush sidewalls.
Oof.
We actually have that FR3 almost torn down.
Yeah, I'll keep track of this and let you guys know what we find.
You'll be excited because I've been showing him all your YouTube videos.
Oh, you've been showing him the videos? And he said, oh no, no.
Yeah. Like, find this guy. Anytime you see a roof, I'll probably be in the videos.